Here's a great deal on a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. This two-door, two-passenger convertible just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It includes leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power convertible roof, and power seats. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.